What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for our Upper Deck Black break. Went quick. You guys paid quick. We're all ready to go. Good luck, good luck. Got a feeling it's going to be a nice case. 5 boxes of Upper Deck Black, and here's your teams. It is 1029. Anaheim, Winnipeg, Orv to Ian. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is timestamp. Timestamp on 3. Excuse me, 1029. 1029. Last and final random. Fourth and final timestamp. 1029 and 1029 it is. The Rangers to San Jose. And Calgary to Boston. There is your teams. Let's do the names to match them. 1029. Or Ian. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 1029. 1030. Just turned 1030. Last and final will do it. You're looking for the Leafs. You're looking for Winnipeg. Last and final timestamp says 1030 and 1030 it is. Let's do it. Steven, top of the list, man. Corey, halfway mark. And then we got Pat all the way down to Palas. Here's your teams, guys. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in about 10 minutes for a break. Good luck.